Welcome to Vokies, a WhatsApp marketing platform specially designed to help you connect with your customers directly. With Vokies, send unlimited WhatsApp messages from your brand name. Highly professional looking messages with quick reply buttons. And the best part, per message cost would be zero. Today, we will take you to the Vokies platform, show you how you can easily and effectively grow your business using the Vokies platform. First of all, let me explain how this platform works. But before that, I would like to tell you that Vokies offers a 7-day free subscription. So you can check out this feature with me during this video or after this video yourself. First, you need to search for official.vokies.com. A portal like this will open in front of you. Then, you need to click on Sign Up. Here, you need to fill in your details and make sure that if you are from India, your universal time should be Asia/Kolkata. Otherwise, select the time zone of your country. Then click and sign up. After logging in, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Now, the best thing about Vokies is that you can scan multiple numbers. Literally, you can scan as many numbers as you want. For example, if you scan 25 numbers and send just 200 messages from one number in a day, you can reach up to 5,000 people with your message. And trust me, this is not the limit. You can do even more than this. Well, the process is quite simple. You will see the WhatsApp Manager option on the left side of the website screen. Click on that. Now, click on Add Account. Scan the QR code, and that's it. In most cases, it only takes a few seconds, but in some exceptional cases, it can take up to 60 seconds also. So don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Once your WhatsApp is linked, you can start sending the messages. For this, you need to click on the WhatsApp Manager on the left side of your system. Then click on Create Campaign and then click on New Campaign. A portal like this will open in front of you. Now, first you need to select the WhatsApp account. Here, you will see all the WhatsApp numbers that you have scanned. Now, you need to decide whether you want to send the message from just one number or from multiple numbers and accordingly select those numbers. In case you select multiple numbers, your message will go in account rotation. For example, if you run a campaign using 3 WhatsApp accounts, your first message will go from WhatsApp account 1, the second message from WhatsApp account 2, and the third message from WhatsApp account 3. After that, when the fourth message goes out, it will again go from WhatsApp account 1. Next, you need to give your campaign a name. This is only for your own reference. The receivers of your message won't see this name. And after that, you need to select a contact group. Let's see how to create a contact group. On your left side, there will be an option Create Contacts. Click on that. Then click on plus sign, enter the name of your contact group and click Submit. After creating the contact group, it will appear like this. Now, click on the list icon and then click on Import. Here, you can import contacts in 2 ways. First, by uploading a CSV file, and second, by pasting numbers directly. Just make sure to include the country code before each number. For India, it's 91. For example, this is my Excel sheet. I copied contacts from here and simply pasted them here. After this, your contact group will appear in Create Campaign. Next, you need to select your media file. You can upload it directly from your system or even from Google Drive. And after that, you need to write your message in the caption box here. If you wish, you can click on Save Caption to save it. The next time you need this caption, you can click on Get Caption to select it. After that, when you scroll down, you will see the time post option. If you want to run the campaign immediately, you don't need to do anything here. But if you want to schedule the campaign for a future date and time, you can click here and select the specific date and time. Next is the random message interval. Before understanding how this feature works, let's understand what this feature is. Basically, if many messages are sent quickly from one number, WhatsApp might detect it as a spam. Therefore, we provide you with random message interval feature. With this, you can decide the minimum and maximum duration between one message and next after. For example, I ran a campaign where I selected a minimum of 30 seconds and a maximum of 60 seconds. Now, there will be a gap of 30 to 60 seconds between my messages. You can set this interval as per your preference, but to stay on the safer side, we suggest keep at least 90-second gap between each message. Therefore, you can select a minimum of 60 seconds and a maximum of 90 seconds. After following all these steps, you can activate your campaign. Just in case you have run a campaign, for example, to send messages to 100 people and 50 people have already received your message, Now, if you need to make changes to your campaign or stop it altogether, you have those options available as well. This means you can edit or stop your running campaign anytime. Now, if you want to view the report of your campaign, then you can download it from here. Well, apart from all these features, Vokies provides you with another great feature called Spintax. Basically, the messages we sent earlier were unchained, meaning the same message was sent to everyone. When the same message goes to many people, WhatsApp detects it as a spam. But there's no need to worry. Our platform provides a solution for this too, called Spintax. Let's understand what Spintax is. For example, at the start of our campaign message, we wrote, "Hello, how are you?" And we want to ensure that it doesn't appear the same to everyone, so as to avoid triggering WhatsApp spam detection. We want the word hello to sometimes be replaced with hi or hey. So we'll edit it like this: curly bracket, hello, vertical bar, hi, vertical bar, hey, curly bracket, how are you? Now, our messages will not be the same for everyone. Some will receive hello, how are you? Some will receive hi, how are you? And others will receive hey, how are you? This feature helps increase the safety of your WhatsApp account and significantly reduces the chances of it getting banned. There's another feature called variable. Imagine you have a coaching institute and you need to send a message to 1,000 students with their individual results. Manually sending each student a message with their name and marks would take a lot of efforts and time. For such cases, you can use variable. Let's see how variable is used. First, we will open a new CSV file. In cell A1, we will write the heading phone number. In cell B1, we will write name, and in cell C1, we will write marks. In column A, we will enter all the phone numbers to which we want to send messages. Make sure each number starts with a country code. In column B, we will write the names associated with those numbers. And in column C, we will write their obtained marks. Now save this CSV file and return to your portal. Now, go to Create Contacts. Click on the plus icon and create your contact group. Then click on the list icon. Select Import and upload the CSV file you just created. After your contacts are imported, they will appear like this. And you will see all the parameters you wrote and uploaded. Now, go to Create Campaign and create a new campaign. Fill in all your details and go straight to the caption box. Here, for each variable you want to include in your message, write the parameter title and include a percentage sign at the start and at the end of your title. For example, hello, percentage sign, name, percentage sign, you have scored, percentage sign, marks, percentage sign in your exam. For example, if one of our students' name was Manav and he scored 92 marks, he would receive the message, "Hello Manav, you have scored 92 marks in your exams." Amazing, right? Next feature is autoresponder. If you want a particular reply to be sent automatically when a message is received, the autoresponder is quite helpful. For example, "Hi, welcome to Vokies. Our executives will be here soon." You might say, "We can do this on our mobile phones too." What's special about Vokies is that here you can also attach media to your autoresponder. To create this, you need to go to the autoresponder option in the WhatsApp manager. Click on Select WhatsApp account and choose the number you want to set the autoresponder for. If you want the same reply for all numbers, you can select all. Now, you have to enable the status. If you want the autoresponder to be triggered only by messages from individual numbers, select Send to Individual. If you want it to be triggered only by messages in group, select Send to Groups. If you want to apply to both, select Send to All. After that, if you want to attach any media file, you can select it here and write your message. Next, you will have the option to set the resubmit time. That means, if a message has been sent to a number once through the autoresponder, then how long it should wait before sending a message to that number again. You can select that here. Then, in Accept Contacts, you will enter the number you don't want the autoresponder to send messages to. After that, you can submit it. Our platform provides you with another amazing feature, which is ChatBot. Let's understand this feature with an example. Imagine I have a shop where my products are mainly divided into 3 categories: database, WhatsApp virtual, and WhatsApp personal. Now, suppose someone messages me, "Hi, I need XYZ database." Automatically that person will receive details about the requested database. Or if someone messages, "Hey, I need Vokies WhatsApp professional credit," they will automatically receive details about this feature. To understand this feature better, let's go to our panel. First, you need to click on chatbot option in WhatsApp Manager. Now, click on add item below the number where you want to apply the chatbot. Now enable the status. If you want the chatbot to be applied only to messages from individual number, select send to individual. If you want it to be applied only to the messages in groups, select send to groups. If you want it applied to both, select send to all. After this, in the type section, you are given two options. Number 1, messages contains any keyword. Here you can write multiple keywords, and if any one of those keywords appear in the incoming message, your reply will be automatically sent to them. For example, if our keyword is database and someone sends a message saying, "Hi, I need database," then the chatbot will automatically send a message to them. Now, number 2 is message matches exact keyword. Basically, this is similar to type number 1. The only difference is that here, the incoming message must exactly match your keyword. For example, if our keyword is send me the link to your YouTube channel, then the incoming message must exactly match this keyword for chatbot to send a reply. After that, you need to give a name to this chatbot campaign. You can name it anything you like. It will just be visible to you. Then, if there's a media file, you need to select it. Write your message in the caption box and then submit it. Let me show you a demo of chatbot. Status enabled. Send to individual. Type message contains any keyword. Name YouTube channel. You can put anything here, it is just visible to you. Keyword YouTube. Then attach media file, my text message, and submit. Now, let's try sending a message from another number on WhatsApp to test this. Here, we will write, "Hi sir, please send me your YouTube link." See, our message has appeared here automatically. Let's try one more time. "Hey, I need the link to your YouTube channel." See, it's working. Let's stop this campaign and start another one. Status enabled. Send to individual. Type message matches exact keyword. Name YouTube link. Keyword link of YouTube channel link. Then attach media file, my text message, and submit. Now, let's go back to WhatsApp. Here, we will write, "Hello sir, please send me a YouTube channel link." See, it's not working. We use the keyword YouTube channel link and it's in the sentence, but the chatbot is not responding. Let's try just writing the keyword once. YouTube channel link. See, our message has appeared. So in message contains any keyword, it doesn't matter what other person writes as long as keyword is in their message. And in the case of message matches exact keyword, the other person message must exactly match our keyword. Next feature is group grabber. If you need to send individual messages to everyone in a group, how would you do it? Would you save each number one by one and then send messages? But what if there are 1,000 people in that group? It would take a lot of time and effort, right? That's why we provide you with the group grabber feature. Go to group grabber, select WhatsApp account and choose your WhatsApp number. That's it. Your work is done. All the groups you are in will start showing up here. Click on download and the contacts will be exported to an Excel sheet. Next feature is WhatsApp warmer. If you are using a number for WhatsApp marketing and your number is only sending WhatsApp messages but not receiving any, then in this case, WhatsApp assumes that your number is being used for spamming, which results in your WhatsApp number getting banned. But there is no need to worry because WhatsApp Warmer is an advanced automated tool that is specifically used to increase your incoming messages. With the help of this tool, you can initiate conversation between your multiple WhatsApp numbers, in which each of your individual numbers will automatically receive messages from all other numbers. This process strengthens the authenticity of your accounts in the eye of WhatsApp, which is especially important if you're doing mass messaging or marketing. Now let's see step by step how to use WhatsApp Warmer. Step 1. Click on WhatsApp Manager and then click on WhatsApp Warmer. Step 2. Create a new warmer. Step 3. Select your WhatsApp account and give a name to your warmer. Step 4. Select the date and time for your warmer. Step 5. Set minimum and maximum duration between your random messages. We suggest you to take minimum 120 seconds and maximum 180 seconds. Step 6. And the last step. Click on schedule. That's it. You don't need to do anything now. WhatsApp Warmer will do all your work. Yes, in case you ever want to pause the warmer, you can click here. Now, let's talk about the API integration feature. We provide you APIs for all your WhatsApp numbers. Using this, you can automate your process. For example, you can send automatic messages to a user when they sign up on a website or when they purchase a product. However, it's essential to have knowledge of APIs. If you find this challenging, don't worry. We shall also support on this. I have provided a link for free 7-day trial sign up in the description box. So that was the detailed demo of our Vokies platform. I hope you liked our platform. Thank you so much for watching.